Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Dear students, today I am going to start part 7 of chapter 3, Impressive Web Designing. Dear students, in our last part we have seen some important topics related to JavaScript, like what is client-side scripting, introduction of JavaScript. There are a variety of scripting languages used to develop dynamic web pages. JavaScript was initially created to make web pages alive. They don't need a special preparation or a compilation to run. Also, we have seen the scripting language. What is script? A script is a list of commands that are executed by a scripting engine. Scripts are used to generate dynamic web pages on the web. Scripts can be opened and edited by using a text editor. Also, we have seen the insertion of JavaScript in HTML. JavaScript can be used for client-side or server-side scripting language. JavaScript code can be inserted in HTML program between script and close script tag. You can easily insert JavaScript in head section or in body section. Also, we have discussed about variables. The variable is a basic unit of storage in a JavaScript program. Also, we have seen the rules to declare the variables. Name may consist of alphabets, digits and underscore and dollar character with following rules. Rules means the first character should be alphabet, the maximum length of variable is 255, only underscore and dollar sign is allowed, no special characters are used other than dollar and underscore sign, do not use predefined keywords, if, else, etc. Also, we have seen how to declare a variable. var character, a keyword is used to declare a variable. You can declare variable a single variable, or you can declare multiple variables separated by comma. You can initialize the variable by assign a value. Also, we have discussed about data types such as number type, string type, boolean type, infinity, null and defined. Now we are going to start our next topic, operators in JavaScript. Operators are used to do arithmetic and logical operations. Operators that require one operand is called as unary operator, and operators that require two operands are called a binary operator. Most of the operators can be divided into groups: arithmetic, relational and logical operators. First, we see the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expressions in the same way that they are used in algebra. For example, following is the example where a is a variable declared by using var keyword, var a equal to 40 and second variable b equal to 4.5. Here equal to is a assignment operator, means 40 is assigned to a and 4.5 is assigned to b variable. The table shows arithmetic operators: plus, addition, minus, subtraction, asterisk, multiplication, slash, division and percentage modulus operators. If you consider a equal to 40 and b equal to 4.5, the result is a plus b equal to 44.5, a minus b equal to 35.5, a into b equal to 180, a divided by b equal to 8.89 and a mod b, a percentage b equal to 4. So these are the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Let's see one example of arithmetic operator. Open HTML tag, then in head tag write title tag having the title multiplication, close title, close head, open the body tag with one attribute bg color equal to yellow, then insert h1 tag having the content program to calculate multiplication of two numbers, close h1, open the script tag, script language equal to JavaScript, declare three variables here a comma b comma c, then semi at the end of line write semicolon, a equal to 76, b equal to 99.45, and if you write c equal to a multiplied by b, then the value of c will be changed a multiplied by b, means 76 multiplied by 99.45. Now to display the answer, write document.write method. In write method, write down double quote br tag h1 multiplication of two numbers, double quote complete, plus sign. Here plus sign is a concatenate operator, plus c plus h1, close h1. Here document.write method contain three parts: close script, close body and close HTML. Save the program and run on the browser. You will get the output. Here is the output. Program to calculate multiplication of two numbers. Multiplication of two numbers 7558.2. So this is a final answer. When you write c equal to a multiplied by b, where a equal to 76 and b equal to 99.45. So this is one of the example of arithmetic operator. Which operator? Multiplication operator. Here document.write is used to display or write content on a web page. Document is an object and write is a method of document object to display the message or content. Plus operator in JavaScript. In JavaScript, plus operator has two meanings: arithmetic addition and string concatenation operator. For example, we are a equal to 15 plus in double quote write hello. Here hello is a string, result is 15 hello. Here two parts means 15 and hello string is concatenate. Second example, we are a equal to 15.7 plus hello in double quote, we will get 22 hello. So here plus operator is a concatenate operator. It joins the two parts, but the condition is that one part should be string part. Student, do it yourself. Find the result of first 20 plus 20 in single quote, second 10 plus 20 plus 2 in double quote, third example 10 plus 2 in single quote plus 2 in single quote. Next important operator is assignment operator, which is represented by equal to sign. It is important to know that assignment operator is not equal to operator. Assignment operator is used to assign value of an expression to a variable. This means that value of an expression on the right hand side is assigned to the single variable on the left hand side. Value of variable may change during the next programming instruction. Here are some examples of assignment operator. Where p equal to 400 assigns value to the variable p. Var e equal to 457.930. Students, in this part we have seen the operators in JavaScript, arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus operator. Also we have seen one example of arithmetic operator with output. Here document.write is used to display or write content on a web page. Also we have seen the plus operator to join two parts. Plus operator is also known as concatenate operator. Also we have seen the assignment operator. Example of assignment operator: In our next part, we will discuss about the expression, computer programming statement. Also, we will see the relational operators used in JavaScript: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. Logical operators also. There are three logical operators: and, or, and, not. Example of logical operators: increment and decrement operator, pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement. Also, we will see the comments in JavaScript. We will continue in the next video. Thank